Ladies and gentlemen, you need to post a manual journal in Zoho Books. You're in the right place. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, so everything within Zoho Books will happen automatically when you are creating expenses. But if you want to go ahead now and add in a manual journal, you'll need to come down here to accounts and click on manual journals. And quite simply, you are going to click on add new. Now, there are a few options you can create from a template. You can create a new template, or you can just go ahead and say new journal. You will start by adding the date, which is a required field. You'll also add a journal number, and this is automatically generated. You can click here to configure that auto generation of your journal numbers, whether you want to change the format or turn it off completely. You can also add reference here, and you can add a note as well, and then your reporting method. Now, if it's accrual or cash, you can select this one, or you can select either or. I'm going to say cash only. Currency, I'm going to keep the same. And here you can select the account, the description, and the contact that is coming from. So select account over here, and let's say we want to do a sales to customer. And we did specify that that's cash. We're going to add in a description. We're going to select a contact over here. This is the person that is perhaps associated with this account, and the transaction type. Now we're going to say it's a purchase, and you'll add in debit and credit. And then if it's a purchase, it's going to be debit, and we're going to just add in 100 there. You can select another line and add that in if you'd like to. Now, you can add in another row, and then you're going to see here, you can upload files if you'd like, and you're going to say save and publish on the bottom left-hand side over here. So let's just go in and add this in, and here we're going to say save and publish. You'll see now over here, if you click on manual journals, you'll see that this is your journal entry over here with all of the details. Now, if you go ahead and click on it, you'll see this as your journal, and you can click on edit right over here. Now, once you click on edit, you can change all of the details again.